So this is the sorting station on Factory IO, and what happens is the emitter kicks out a piece. We have 3 blue pieces, a lid, a base, and raw material, and then 1 green piece, which is just the green raw material, and it's going to sort into each one of these ramps into the remover here, and the green pieces are just going to go off the end. And so here's my program. This is the startup, so getting the start and stop light to work, and I have a relay here that's going to start my conveyors, which are in turn stopped by the stop button. And so this section on the right here is all of the sorting mechanism, and so the vision sensor kicks out a number, and for the raw material it kicks out a 1. So here, if the vision sensor equals 1, I turn on a relay for the first sorter, and if the vision sensor is 2, it goes to the second sorter, and if the vision sensor is 3, it goes to the third sorter. And so here I have these relays. They turn on the sorter 1, like for the sorter 1 relay, it turns on the sorter 1 turn and the sorter 1 belt. And the only way to reset any of these sorters, since they all follow the same suit, I guess, but the only way to reset them is if both, or if either of the 2 other sorters are true, or if the vision sensor is greater than 3, which means it's not one of the blue pieces. So it would just go off the end. And so this is up here, sorter 2, and then further down here, sorter 3. And so that's pretty much the whole program. So here, if I start it, if I hit start, this is a green piece, and so it should read greater than 3, and so it just goes off the end. It's not going to get sorted into one of these 3 categories. Another green piece. I'm waiting for blue to show up. Still green. Let's get, no. Alright. Okay, this is if I press my stop button. Let me just, okay, let me start it again and see. Alright, hang on. Let me just make sure it's only getting blue pieces. Sorry, that's an alarm. Okay, part 2, not base 2 unit. Part 2 unit. So let's get it down to just like 1 green piece coming out and then multiple blue pieces. We'll go green lid. Alright, let's try this again. So there's the green lid. And since it's a number greater than 3, it's going to go right off the end. Now this is a blue base, I believe. It should go into the second. No, it's going to go into the third. This is a lid. The lid should go into the second. And see, it changes the conveyors so that it goes down into the correct one. So this should end up kicking this back. Yep, and moving the third one out. And the lid should go into this first one, I believe. No, the second one. And this first ramp here is for the raw material. And so since that's a lid, this one didn't end up being kicked back because it was true. And there's the raw material. And if I press stop, the conveyor stops. There we go. And it stops. Alright, so that is the sorting station on Factory IO.